Microsoft has been making some waves as late as the AI war heats up. Lots of news to cover quickly about the major ChatGPT 4 release, how it's being baked into every Microsoft release, and we've got a long list of things to be aware of, such as conferences, major product end of life, and some AI tools you might not be knowing about. Hi, I'm Matt Carolyn and welcome to Puck Online, where we aim to bring you the hot topics for the last month in the public cloud space. Today I'm here at the beach in Australia where I grew up and I'm taking some sun in. 2023 has started off strong in spite of all the tech layoffs and global uncertainty. We have a lot to cover in a short amount of time this month, so let's get into it. So where you put your money right now is the subject of a lot of talk at the moment as interest rates rise and investment strategies change. Roku had a bit of a heart attack last week as there was a run on Silicon Valley Bank with clients trying to draw $42 billion overnight, which caused the bank to go into insolvency. Roku had $500 million in there in cash. Now we're all waiting to see what the knock-on effect will be in the markets due to this. In an ironic twist, Epic Games, the maker of Fortnite, has been fined over $500 million for deceptive UI design, tricking players into making purchases, as well as not putting protections in place for players under the age of 13. Now this is iconic because Epic Games last year started a fight against Apple due to their controls over the marketplace payments. Apple pride themselves on their consumer protection. And in Microsoft Azure news, OpenAI has incorporated its latest and most advanced language model, GPT-4, into Microsoft Bing search engine AI. GPT-4 is also available to the public through OpenAI's ChatGPT Plus paid subscription. The new engine version has many improvements, and you should hear less about people tricking ChatGPT into doing evil things, as it now has the ethical rules built in instead of a filter over the engine. Other improvements include writing up to 25,000 word answers compared to the old 3,000 word limit. It can now accept images as input, not just text, and it is rumored that video input is coming soon. It can actually take a hand-drawn sketch of a website and turn it into a working website. Microsoft tools, which now include generative AI, include GitHub Autopilot, Microsoft Teams Premium, Microsoft Viva Sales, and Microsoft Bing. Now, I don't know if this is new, but I thought I'd mention it since we're on the subject of OpenAI. You might have come across DALL-E, which can create an image for you based on what you tell it by text. But did you know about Jukebox? It can create music, including some basic singing, based on what you tell it. Now, I haven't tried it yet, but it's definitely on my list now to try. And earlier this month, Microsoft released Azure OpenAI Service into preview. You can now create new intelligent apps and solutions to stand out from the competition using a no-code approach in Azure OpenAI Studio. Azure OpenAI Studio, in addition to offering customizability for every model offered through the service, also offers a unique interface to customize ChatGPT and configure response behaviors that align with your needs. And Azure NetApp Files has increased its capacity support for large volumes, now supporting up to 500 terabytes. On the topic of sustainability, the Xbox has become the first carbon-aware gaming console. Xbox consoles are reducing their carbon footprint by optimizing updates and downloads to run at a time when each console can use the most renewable energy. And there are a lot of Microsoft 2013 products coming end of life next quarter. They include Office Professional, Visio, Project, Exchange Server, SharePoint Server, and Lync Server. And keep in mind that at the end of this year sees Windows Server 2012 and 2012 R2 also coming down the line. Oh, and next year's SQL Server 2014 will be coming end of life too. Lots of Microsoft related conferences coming up. I'll rattle them off, but check the comments section for links for more details and registration. So we've got OpenHack virtually in April and May. We have Canadian Cloud Conference in June, which will be both virtually and in person in every major Canadian city, all at the same day. Microsoft 365 Conference in Vegas at the end of April, and Microsoft Power Platform Conference also in Vegas in October. So in wrap up, make sure you check out publiccloud.ninja for links to all our vodcasts, podcasts, and online meetups and events. And click the like and subscribe button so that you get notified each month when we release a new episode. Our next episode will be in April. Till then, Stay safe and keep challenging yourself.